In an ever-evolving digital landscape, small businesses face unique challenges and opportunities. For Vermont's vibrant community of small enterprises, embracing digital marketing tools is not just an option. It's imperative for survival and growth in today's market. So, how can these tools transform the business landscape in Vermont and give small businesses the boost they need? Imagine walking down Church Street in Burlington. It's a bustling hub of local shops and eateries, each with its own story and charm. However, for these quaint Vermont businesses to thrive in a competitive market, they must reach beyond foot traffic. Digital marketing offers a way to extend their reach from local to global audiences without compromising the authenticity that makes them unique. Let's start with the cornerstone of digital presence: websites. A well-designed website is the first impression many potential customers will have of a business. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about functionality and user experience. Tools like WordPress and Squarespace empower businesses to create visually appealing and user-friendly sites that can be fully customized to reflect their brand ethos. But a website is only as good as its visibility. Enter the world of search engine optimization, or SE. SEO is the practice of improving a website's visibility on search engines like Google. By using the right keywords and creating quality content, small businesses can increase their chances of appearing on the first page of search results. Consider a local Vermont maple syrup producer. By optimizing their website with terms like locally sourced Vermont maple syrup, they can attract customers searching for that authentic Vermont taste. Tools like Moz and SEMrush offer invaluable insights into keyword trends and SEO performance, turning what can be a daunting task into a manageable and strategic venture. Social media is another potent tool in the digital marketing arsenal. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter provide small businesses with the opportunity to engage with their audience in real time. Take a local craft brewery as an example. By showcasing their latest brew or hosting virtual tasting events, they can connect with customers both near and far. Tools like Buffer and Hootsuite can automate posts and analyze engagement, helping businesses maximize their social presence without overwhelming their daily operations. Email marketing remains a classic yet effective strategy. It offers direct communication with potential and existing customers and has a remarkable return on investment. Platforms like MailChimp and Constant Contact enable small businesses to create personalized email campaigns that inform and engage their audience, whether it's announcing a new product or offering a special promotion to loyal customers. However, digital marketing is not just about reaching more people. It's about reaching the right people. This is where analytics come into play. Google Analytics, for example, provides an in-depth look at website traffic, helping businesses understand who their customers are and what they're looking for. Data-driven decisions can refine marketing strategies, ensuring that efforts are not only impactful, but efficient. For small businesses in Vermont, embracing digital marketing tools can lead to significant competitive advantages. However, the journey doesn't end with implementing these tools. It's about constantly adapting and evolving. The digital world is dynamic, and businesses must be agile to respond to new trends and consumer demands. To conclude, digital marketing tools open doors to vast opportunities for Vermont's small businesses. They provide a platform for growth, a channel for customer engagement, and a strategy for sustainability in a competitive market. By leveraging these tools, Vermont's small businesses can not only survive but thrive, maintaining the charming essence that makes them special while stepping confidently into the future.